This is a used 2006 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, leather seats, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Jack Kane Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3405 Lexington Road, Versailles, Kentucky 40383.